The babies are up. And look, do not touch this door nor the doorknob. Mainly because I woke up this morning, I got a slight fever for no reason. It's slight, it's only 99.1. But yeah, just don't touch my door, just don't even come over. I've got somebody gonna get feed for me because I'm at the bottom of the burrow. But yeah, I called them earlier. I know, look, my little babies ain't scared of me. They not scared of me. Come on, let's go. Look at them. What y'all doing in there? Acting like y'all starving to death. Come on, let's go. I don't even have to. There's my babies. Yeah, there's my babies. Come on. All y'all here? Yep, y'all all here. Okay. Watch out, bub. Y'all gotta move. Yeah. I'm coming, mommy. You do not bring them babies in here. Come on, mom. Get in here. Why y'all gotta do this to you every night? Okay, now I can go feed mama and her babies. But yeah, they're no longer college. Oh, look, the babies went and got in here without mama. You want to go in there? Come on. Come on. Come on, get in. Get in. If you want to get in, get in. Go. Go. Or not. Right. Hopefully them babies get out. I don't know if they will or not. What the heck? You can fly. I'm not worried about you. Come on, Mom. Them babies must be, man, they're just like, huh, whatever. But yeah, it's no longer a pandemic in Louisiana. It's an outbreak. Because a lot of people in Louisiana are not listening to just stay home. They're just not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means there's 7, 8 left in the pen. You better settle down. You heard one of my babies. I won't be here much longer. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Well, here comes one trying to figure out how to get back out. And that one's back out. There's still one more baby in there. Dang birds. Oh, here comes the other one. Trying to figure out how to get it. Okay, here they go. Okay, that's all 8 of them. He's not a bad bird. He's cocky. But yeah, Louisiana. Yeah, we went from 1,700. I think 1,799 yesterday to 2,305 today. I want to say 85 deaths, and one of them was a 17-year-old young man. So apparently this disease don't really care who it kills. Now, did he have any underlying, medical issues? They're not saying, so we don't know the whole story yet. But yeah, it's no longer a pandemic in Louisiana. It's an outbreak, as they called it. But it is pretty bad. I mean, it's really bad. And then, not only did we worry about flood just a month ago, we're getting rain every day. Now we're under a burn ban because we ain't raining. Like one extreme to the next. And nope. I still have not went out and got my weed eater head. I'm not going to get a weed eater head until all this is done. Oh, look. There's one. Yep. All right. So, this one's still alive. Good deal. Good deal. But all is well on the home front. Just got to get out here with my lawnmower, I guess, and just come out here and mow the lawn. Yeah, that's about all I got. I'm just staying home and don't touch my door and nor my doorknob. Just stay away. Just stay to your house. Nope. You wouldn't believe this. I mean, I don't know if we have Jehovah's Witnesses on my channel or whatnot, But they actually had a Jehovah's Witness come to the house during this. Hell, went next door and was talking to my brother. I'm like, dude, are you kidding me? Call me on my cell phone or something. You want to go in? Okay. Okay, just don't need to run. Come on. Get in. Get in. Well, there's water over there. Why y'all drinking out of that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You better quit being mean to people. Y'all will all go in the gumbo pipe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All of them are in. I think. Yeah, all of them are in. But yeah, there they are. Acting like they're starving to death. But if you look at their craw, see that? Their craw down there, right there on her chest. See how full that thing is? They ain't hungry. They just spoiled. Look at his craw. His craw is huge. Y'all just pigs. But hey, y'all, that's the latest update on Louisiana status. I don't know if y'all watch my state. I do. I don't watch y'all state. So if y'all can give us an update on what y'all are going through, that'd be pretty kind. But yeah, we're tied with New Jersey right now. We're at number 2, and they're looking that we're going to surpass it. Yeah. And the main reason is because nobody in Louisiana will listen. Just stay home. I mean, we have churches that are, you know, that hold hundreds of people, and they're still having services. It's like, hello. The only way to stop this is to stop your normal routine. And do I believe in God? Yeah, but am I going to go to church and take a chance on it? No. Hey, y'all, enough rant. Oh, and then wildflowers, they grow anywhere. Anywhere. Grow away, my little friend. But that's because we ain't had no rain in such a long time. Hey, y'all, you have a good night. God bless. Stay safe.